Also waiting on Sean Walker. Anybody know Sean Walker? Raise your hand. Is Sean Walker in the bathroom prepping?
What about Johnny?
No, we don't need any volunteers. Obvious, hey, all these people cannot consume 3 pounds of bacon. We have a scale right here. We don't play around, scale to weigh it. And right after this, we're going to do a big WJRR contest with Stein Holding for people that signed up for that for Halloween Horror tickets, Halloween Horror Nights tickets. Don't take the trophy, whatever you take. Oh yeah, I already told them about the orange buckets. I know what those are for. When those are going to get filled, kids, it's like SeaWorld Shamu section. Back up a little bit. Again, thanks for coming out to the Deland Bacon and Brew Fest. You ready with your timer? Do you want to have them unwrap first? Unwrap first before, don't you get like sticky fingers or anything. Yeah, huh? 3 minutes.
Saving 3 minutes.
Hey. Yeah, you can pre-open your water just like, yeah, you're good, dude. All right, everybody's getting that plastic off. Just rip it. You're going to be in a bacon eating contest. All right. We're going to have the crowd count you down. So when you hear 1, then it's going to be a go for me. So 3, 2, 1, I'll get you to do a crowd. And then when you hear go, it's bacon time. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, you gotta think, if you're eating 3 pounds of bacon, you need to be rooted on. This system right here is handfuls of it at one time. Remember, we decided to give you 3 minutes instead of 2, so you'll be good. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. And I'm going to stand back here in case anything else is up. Keeping it PG friendly for the children. Come on, they can't keep eating bacon for this long. 3 pounds of bacon, that's probably the hind end of a pig. But this is delicious bacon out here. Remember to stop by all the different tents that have the delicious food out here. All those craft beers. This is a very special. You got a system. I can see it. Don't worry. They need to hear you. They need to hear you. We're at the 2-minute mark. And that's feedback. You got to motivate it. Don't worry. It's something I learned back in That'll be good. Eat it up. Bacon, 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 bacon. We need to do this. Our female in the contest is down in some bacon. Keep it going, honey. Lady power up here. That's Lori down there. We're almost at the 1 minute mark, so this will be go time. I'll tell you when it's 1 minute. It's 1:01. That's a good thing because our radio station. 1 minute, go!
Go! You got it, girl. You got it.
It's like hammer time, but it's bacon time. People slowing down and people going deep.
You got it.
Last year's champion has a very big cake going. But right here, sir, you are pounding it down as well. And Lori's killing. Lori's doing a good job. Keep it going, baby. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Oh my God. I think I need the orange bucket. Just watch it. You can do it. Delicious bacon. 15 seconds, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Stop and drop the bacon. Good deal, fair is fair. Everybody step back from the bacon without falling over backwards. You feeling all right? If you need the bucket, you just tell me. I'm not bringing it over, but oh God, don't do that. Go watch them sprint across. All right, we're gonna weigh some bacon here and see who our winner is.
Okay. I'll just put it in their case.
Thanks again to the Blind Pig Tavern sponsoring the bacon eating contest. This is the wonderful trophy. Beer with bacon coming out of it. If that is not something from a man or a woman cave, I don't know what is. Wha-bam, right there. Let's weigh some bacon, ladies. Bacon weighing time. I'm not in charge of that stuff because I'll mess it up somehow, probably. Okay. And again, we're drawing names right now for people that registered for the Beer Stein Holding Competition, which we're going to do in the grass right here. So if you registered for that, be ready to hear your name. While they're weighing, I'll tell you about the Beer Stein competition. 3 women, 3 gentlemen hold up a beer stein full of water. Whoever holds it the longest for the men wins. Whoever holds it the longest for the women wins, and they win Halloween Horror Nights tickets. Sorry I'm all burpy, I just ate a phenomenal Cuban sandwich. All right, what do you need? What do you need? I got your pen. All right, so that's what's left. That's a pretty solid pound eaten so far. I'll announce all of them. I'll announce all of them after. Don't yell any of them out. This is obviously including the tin and everything, so that's a sin. Bacon on the ground, don't do it. So again, be listening if you registered to get in the Beer Stein Holding Competition. Literally, when people hold these beer steins out, they usually only hold them up for like, what, about 2 minutes or so? And it makes you sweat a little bit. Orange Ed will be up here shortly. You guys get it all set up. We appreciate you coming out and playing today. We appreciate everybody coming out to this. Very cool. Rain Schmain. Look at that. The Lord was looking down.
Championship, baby! Woo!
Are you kidding?
Yeah!
The scales say it. The new winner is Kyle. Give it up for Kyle, everybody. Hey, all the kids out there, I think he just did a dab. Exactly. I know that because I have daughters. Congratulations, Kyle. That's awesome, man. I don't care if you're crazy. They're a bacon fest. Little less than a pound. Little